here on my board. And of course, let's take a brief look on the price movement for the last few days. Today is Tuesday. The last time we are connected to you, it was on last Friday. So in comparison to last Friday, only last Friday the price I wrote here and for last Friday and today. So it was down by for BTC it was down by about $1,000, and for ETH it was down by about $400. Yeah. So just in case you'll be thinking, oh yeah, so this is the move, how it moved. So the price went down a little bit and trying to go up a little bit for ETH, and then after that, I think by yesterday it was like going down. So BTC was slightly different. It was trying to climb up a little bit, trying to maintain and float at 47 plus, and after that it gave in as well and it clicked down as well. Yeah. So this was Friday and this is today. Yeah. So so that's a brief outlook for the price movement over the weekend. Yeah. So I'll give the time back to Mr. Richard.
Yeah, you can see the chart of all of the coin for today. Yeah, all have a very beautiful color. It's a red color. It's look like the Christmas color, right?
Yeah, I think I think there's not enough greens there.
Yeah,
Too much of Santa Claus
yeah,
color. They don't have the Christmas tree color.
yeah.
So I think I believe people prefer the Christmas tree color.
Yeah, it's like Christmas tree color, and then we know the price. The current price is 46,800, and dominant of the Bitcoin, the BTC is 42.78%. Yep. And based on some of the article, the news are also on chance. I see that the mining hash rate of the BTC is increasing to the new ATH. It's and I see that there's 90% of the supply of Bitcoin have been mined. It means now currently the Bitcoin have been mined 18.9 million. Yeah. And the total supply is 21 million. Yeah. And yeah, that's why that's 18.9 million now is in the circulation, and the maximum is max supply is 21 million. And the last Bitcoin will be mined at
2140.
2140. Yeah, that's right, 2140. And it's take around 100 years. Next 100 years to be mined. Next, the last of um, three 3 million coin. Yeah, that's why we also can have a lot of time for Bitcoin movement. And now back to the market, and we see just now we see the red color of the total market today. Let me refresh to see how's the color again. Yeah, now it's the price is around. Let me okay. Now the price around 46,800. Yeah, and we find the article is about Bitcoin hash rate of Russian new ATH. What does this mean for the price? And in the article, let me go overview that. It's very short article. It's just a few lines. According to on-chain, BTC hash rate seems to be a Russian new ATH setback in April this year. Yeah, and this means it's hard to mine more and more Bitcoin like previous day. and high value of the indicator also apply. There's a lot of not, that means so many miners connect to the network.
Yeah. I guess there'll be increasing number of miners that will be coming into the mining arena. Now that a lot more people are buying mining machine, GPU, and all. Yeah, right.
Yeah, because they want the heater, because it's in the cold weather. They want to buy the heater. Instead of buy the heater, they buy the mining machine to keep warm. Yeah, and also make money.
that's
Yeah,
that's a good way to do that.
yeah, that's right. And then and and let's see how is the one of the nice article is inside the inside the article. The title is I think BTC is really fighting to watch in the Bitcoin this week, and some of the analysts William Gleman chalk along the side chart to show it. It look like it's funny when the Bitcoin go down, we go to zero, and when it's reach the top, it's say 100,000 100,000 million. Yeah,
Actually, that's how I feel too.
yeah,
Each time
yeah,
it go up to a certain assume high level,
yeah.
people will start to try to hype the public and say, "Oh yeah, we are going 100,000."
Yeah, but in my own opinion, the 100,000 maybe happen, but not in these years.
Not so
Because,
fast.
yeah, it's not so fast this year, but it depend on the charts, depend on some of the uh, from the analysis. They they say that if the price go deeper, it means the price also can go higher. It's also similar with last 2 year, 2019. The price also is around from 10,000 is go down to 7,000 to 5,000, and after that it shoot up to 20 to 40,000. Yeah, that's normal when the price go deep. And back, I also found some of the articles about um, uh, the FOMC meeting. Um, I also think that this meeting is about the Fed with the government, because they are it look like something they they do the meeting to decide should bring out the money or keep the markets less like the stock market and all the market. Now we see the chart on the SBNC, um, um, NBNC.
Yeah. For some information, those wondering what FOMC is
Yeah,
stands for Federal Open Market Committee. Yeah,
yeah. Federal Market
Federal
Committee.
Open
Yeah,
Market Committee.
yeah. Open Market Committee. Is uh, that's that is the Fed tapering talk, but put pressure on the market. Yeah, because the way they put the pressure on the market, of course, the market will have a little bit uh, yeah, fear. It's look like now we see, look back last week, we see the re and fear is
Wow.
last week is 16 and now is recover. It's look better now. Yeah, we also can see the market is still wise. Okay, people may have a little bit be uh, be happy because the season is coming and a lot of factor. It's mean that we need to wait for them to 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 do the meeting FOMC, and how is it. And and in the charts you can see the chart is also possibilities go down. Let me turn on see raise open is I cannot open main in new tabs. Okay.
That one, yeah, you probably just have to enlarge the.
Yeah. Let's look like now after the correction, we see the correction 1 and the correction 2. Yeah, after the correction, the price you make a new movement. Yeah. Now it's to the correction and the people, if it expectedly, it may go down around 40,000. Yeah, the price may slip to 40,000, and the 46.7 is a support level, and then it will bounce back. Yeah, that's some of the charts from some analysis. Yeah, I also have a look on this, and later I will open the trading view to see more clearly about this trading view. Yeah, and we see what the pair is US Binance BTC USDT. Yeah. And we can see the price movement like this for our. Yeah, we go for our. Also, it's the same thing like this. Yeah, under correction. Yeah, it's a big one to the big to here to here. Yeah, we see. And now if I apply, let me turn on is in the dark theme. You easily can see that. Yeah. And I apply the Fibonacci retracement, and now okay, which so many Fibonacci are. Yeah. In the Fibonacci, the support level is 44,800. Yeah. Yeah. If we want to buy at the dip, we can set the price around this level to buy. We also can see yes. Last night, a few hours ago, it dropped to 45,600, and now
Wow.
it's 46,400. 4 hours ago, we see 49,000. Now it's a time to recover, right? But if you want to buy at the dip, you can take the price around the support level is 44,700, and the hard support level is 41,467. Yeah, that's a two support level, and we can take to buy at the dip, because now we see the market is the fears is return from extreme fear back to the fear, and we still happy, and we see the price movement as expectation. Yeah, expectation. Yeah, it can hit the support level, and then it go a little bit and go shoot up. Yeah, like it. They also think like it. For our charts, and looking for a bullish this surface below 46,500. Yeah, they say that this some of the uh, prepare for the meeting, and we see so many there are so many charts to say optimistic about in crypto and Bitcoin. Yeah,
Yeah.
the hash rate down. What does it mean? Yeah, a lot of people are asking me.
Yeah, I believe a lot of people are wondering how can this Bitcoin hash rate affect the price, affect the market, and I think they really want to know more about this hash rate related information.
Yeah, hash rate related information we can find on Crypto One. Crypto One. Yeah, let me go again to unsubscribe this. Return to website, and net minor flow. I did not upgrade to. I did not log into here. market indicator. Okay, just have a look. We see this on the minor outflow. This article is about the miner push the coin into the exchange outflow. That means when they want to sell their coin to get the profits. Currently, the BTC outflow is still remain the same. They still buy some of the coin to get the profit pay for electricity only. But we want to see how is the hash rate. That they don't show the hash rate. Miner research, miner outflow. Okay, let me Google is BTC hash rate, and we will see. Yeah, now the hash rate is 118 million terahash per second. Yeah, with the high hash rate is high and high. People can get Bitcoin interactive overview hash rate here. We see current hash rate 1 year, 6 years, 1 day. The hash rate. This is a chart to show to us about the hash rate of the BTC. There are so many charts, so many things. So that's why I will show just and show you just the overview, not too detailed, because I just now we see the hash rate on Google. They say 100, 180, and this is a hash rate on December 12. Yeah, so we can see that the Bitcoin hash rate is so high. Also, some reason because the cool weather is good mm, to run the mining rig, and then it's doing mining is also one way of the long term investment, because in any way we still have the mining rig, mining computer. When the market up or down, we still have the mining computer, and we still have the income daily or monthly. Yeah, so it's also safe for the miner. The only way that the miner need to pay for the electricity and the mining risk in the beginning. That means it's look like you pay money for your car to run for Uber, and then
Yeah.
you just pay for
Basically to maintain the function of the machine,
yeah
you just need to have all these resources to support the running of the mining machine. Yeah, because one thing for sure, the mining machine is going to generate a lot of heat. So
yeah
like what Mr. Richard was just talking about. Oh, some people in the cold climate areas or
yeah
countries, they just leave the mining machine running and they doesn't have to switch on their heater.
yeah yeah. This is a good way for them to save also save some of electricity
I mean,
instead of yes.
they channel the money for the electricity to the GPU.
Yeah, that's right. Uh, when I see some of the people in the cold weather, it's good to use the mining machine, because some of the cooler system unnecessary, but it's also can be used, and some of the GPU they also work better with the cool environment.
Yeah.
And I also have a look on some of the mining rig, and I found out there's also of the deep cooling machine. That means 100%, they put the mining rig under the liquid, in the liquid, and put inside there, and it's reduce a lot of noise, and it's reduce a lot of noise, and it's working more it's mean working better than use the air cooler.
Yeah.
Use a liquid cooler. And then
Right.
I also found one of the nice articles about the German saving bank vote for the launching Bitcoin Ethereum trading services, because this also good news about some of the bank in Germany. They uh, they are voting they are voting to to uh, to trade in crypto. Yeah, and
Yeah.
in this, yeah, okay, give the word to.
I think this banking services and banks as companies, organizations, uh, all across the world. I believe that more and more of all these saving banks, commercial banks, or whatever banks, as long as they are banks, they deal with fiat cash. They deal with conventional money. Most of these banks, they are slowly and surely coming into the arena of cryptocurrency, digital currency. Even in Singapore, we see our DBS Bank has been playing a
Yeah,
big part in blockchain and digital currency. And of course, when you see articles like this talking about German saving banks wanting to launch Bitcoin what again? Bitcoin related services. So
yeah,
and crypto related services. So you see that more and more advanced, or rather the quote unquote first world countries, uh,
yeah,
or countries that are pretty far ahead, they are basically looking even further ahead by adopting digital currency and cryptocurrency and blockchain. Yeah, so you see that all these big names out there, they are starting their engine on blockchain and crypto. So as a general public, mass consumer, investors out in the public, we can expect something positive in the next coming few years. Yeah, I'm
yeah,
pretty sure, because you see that all this development of blockchain related initiatives, and it's, I believe you can almost call it a movement in a sense. Yeah,
yeah,
so let's hope and expect more good things out of all this that various other countries are doing. Yeah, so of course, not forgetting the last couple of months, we did cover a country in Central America that is using Bitcoin as a legal tender. So more of exciting things like this would happen. Of course, I'm not expecting many countries to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, but I would expect a lot of various countries to adopt digital currency or any other form of crypto that they develop for themselves to be used as a legal tender. Yeah, so I think there's a possibility in that, and I think we can look forward to this kind of things, this kind of news coming out pretty soon and fast. You know, yeah. So, Mr. Richard, you showing us this buyback hit record after pulling back. What is that?
yeah. This the information on our service community. Yeah, and I want to show you this one of the news article. Uh, uh, we we see this is also the less information from on the digital, and this is from Max Moss. It's reborn. It look like the buyback hit record. It's mean the bank when they try to save when the government want to try to save the bank, they think to buy back. And this article coming from the Wall Street Journal. Yeah, it's a finance. When on the stock market crash, it means the stock market crash. The government need to sell it or leave it crash. Yeah, so that's why the FOMC happening. Okay, and now this article is also is about the Bitcoin mining hash rate is go to the peak on the December 8th. Yeah, 194 extra hash per second, and this is the thing I want to review how our Xeonbit community article news today. The market overhead fund ways is also this article. This is from the past from 2011 when with the block 150,951 10 years ago. You can see the transaction loss 2,609 BTC. Yeah, when the miner do the mining and they also lost this transaction. Yeah, when this time when one block they can mine 50 BTC per one block, and now it's only 6 BTC per one block only, 10 times less than. And here's an article to see that it's an inflation or not. When when we see some of the U.S. 3 month, U.S. 4 month, 1 year, 2 years, this is the yields and it the change. It look like the inflation rate. So so the answer is up to the audience. When the people think is inflation nowadays, because I see the government they say the inflation rate is around 6%. Some of the highest in the last 40 years. So when the price of the crypto and the stock market is going down like this, and the inflation rate like this, will the government will sell it or not, or just let it be? Let's see how. Because in my own opinion, of course, the price will go up, not soon or later, or it's depend on each country, each community. But crypto, Bitcoin is decentralized in decentralized world. If this country not buy in or bail out to buy it, the other country, the other individual will get it when they see the price dip. Yeah, of course, we also discussed on the charts. We see that the price may go deep, and it will hit to the support level, like we see that. Yeah, and then we hope after support level it will bounce back. Yeah, we and also is we have been live on 28 minutes 47, and now yeah, and now we hope that we will see the Christmas tree, not only the Santa Claus red color.
Yeah. Yeah, we want to see more greens.
Yeah, the green. We want to see the Christmas tree, and now it's time for us to complete the live stream this morning. Yeah, and you give the word to Mr. Nicholas to share to say word to people.
All right, thank you all for joining us. Yeah, so I hope you guys got some good information out there. Of course, these are not exhaustive. You can always go online and check out on all more information, especially if you are investing in alternative coins. Yeah, so you research on all this related information for your coin, so that you can be well informed and make a better decision. Yeah, so when the market moves, you make money and not lose money. Yeah, so today is 14th of December, Tuesday. Yeah, so we look forward to seeing you again on Friday. Yeah,
Yeah.
so we are about 10 days, 11 days to Christmas, and 10 days to Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I hope you guys are buying up all your
Yeah.
gift for your friends
Yeah.
and
That's
all that ones. Yeah, so okay, do click like and subscribe button, and perhaps share the video with your friends. And we look forward to seeing you again. And thank you all for joining us. Bye bye.
yeah. Bye bye. See you.